Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn about SQL commands, specifically transaction control language commands, also known as TCL commands. TCL commands are used to manage transactions in a database. What is transaction? A transaction is a group of SQL operations like insert, update, delete that are executed together as a single unit of work. So this is a transaction. So these TCL commands help ensure data consistency and allow us to save or undo changes made to the database. The most commonly used TCL commands are commit, rollback, and savepoint. Now let us see the commit command. Commit command is used to permanently save the changes made during a transaction. Once the commit command is executed, the changes cannot be undone. For example, to insert a new record into the student table, the following SQL statement we can use. That is, insert into students with the target columns student ID, name, age, department with the target columns 502, Rakesh, 23, CSC. Once this query is executed, the data is stored into the student table. Now, in order to save this data permanently in the database, we can run the commit command. So once this commit command is executed, this data is permanently saved in the database. But after commit, you cannot undo changes using rollback. Now let's see rollback. Rollback is used to undo changes made during transaction. If an error occurs or want to cancel the changes, we can use rollback to restore the database to its previous state. And this rollback works only before commit command. Suppose we update a particular student age incorrectly. For this one, we can use this syntax: update students, set age equal to age plus 5, where student ID equal to 501. So here with student ID 501, we updated the age from 20 to 25. So here the original age is 20, but we updated to 25 by adding 5. So if you run this query, now the student age 501 is updated to 25. But later we found that this was a mistake. So in order to restore to the age from 25 to 20, so we can run the rollback command. Now this rollback command can cancel the age update and restores the previous value. That is, it is restored to 20 only, not 25. So this is about the rollback. Now let's move on to the save point. Save point is used to create a checkpoint within a transaction. It allows us to roll back only a specific part of the transaction instead of undoing the entire transaction. Then why we use this save point? For example, a transaction has multiple steps. If one step fails, you may not want to lose all previous successful steps. So for that purpose, we can use the save point. For example, consider the following transaction. The transaction is update students, set age 25, where student ID equal to 501 with checkpoint save point sp1, update students, set age 20, where student ID equal to 101 with checkpoint roll back to sp1. This entire transaction can contain two checkpoints. So one is the save point sp1 and another one is roll back to sp1. So once this entire transaction is executed, Here the student ID 501 is updated, whereas the student ID 101 is not updated. So the purpose of the save point is here it can update only the specific part of the transaction. So here what is the specific part of the transaction? This this is only up to this point it is updated, but the remaining part is not updated. Simply it is undone because of the rollback. So this is the purpose of the save point. Now let's summarize the TCL commands. The TCL commands are commit, rollback, save point. Commit is used to permanently save the changes made in a transaction, whereas rollback is used to undo changes and restore the previous state of the database, whereas save point is used to create checkpoints within a transaction. These commands are very important for maintaining data integrity and controlling database transaction. I hope this video helped you understand the TCL commands clearly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more SQL tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.